Why do we say bless you after a sneeze? The reason is crazy than you think. In ancient India, people thought the sneezing could take our soul out for a second. So saying bless you was the way of locking it back in. Other culture thought sneezing could open a tiny doorway for bad vibes to enter your body. So saying God bless you was a way to shut that door down. And then came the hell twist. During plague outbreak, the sneeze was considered to be the first warning sign. So saying God bless you meant stay alive. Over time, the fear faded, but the phrase stayed. The superstition died, but the habit remained.